How to add a story to reading list on Wattpad. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add any story to your reading list easy and fast. So first thing, go to Wattpad and now go down here to the library and choose the story that you want to add to your list. For example, this one here, all what you have to do is click on it like this, and now click on add to reading list, and it will be added easy and fast. And here is it right here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.